To get started with AWS Amplify S3 integration, first create an AWS account and set up an Amplify project in your code editor. Install the Amplify CLI and initialize a new Amplify project by running the command amplify init. This will create a new Amplify project and configure it with your AWS account. Next, install the Amplify storage module by running the command amplify add storage. This will prompt you to choose a storage option. Select S3 and follow the prompts to configure your S3 bucket. Once you have installed and configured the storage module, you can start using S3 in your application. To upload a file to S3, use the put method provided by the Amplify storage module. This method takes a file and a key as arguments, where the key is the path where the file will be stored in S3. To download a file from S3, use the get method provided by the Amplify storage module. This method takes a key as an argument, which is the path to the file in S3. The get method returns a promise that resolves to the file. When working with S3, it is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly. Use try-catch blocks to catch and handle any errors that may occur during upload or download. Operations. Best practices for using AWS Amplify S3 integration include using secure access controls, monitoring your S3 bucket for any suspicious activity, and optimizing your S3 storage for performance and cost. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use AWS Amplify S3 integration to store and retrieve files in your application. This allows you to take advantage of the scalability and reliability of S3 while simplifying the development process with Amplify.